Load unit expressions of slab, beams and columns. Metric. Unit weight of concrete used in this video is 24 kilonewtons per meter cubic. Slag loadings. Slag loadings are usually expressed in kilonewtons per meter squared, but can also be expressed in kilonewtons per meter or just kilonewtons. A concrete slab of length 6 meters, width 3 meters and thickness 0.2 meters can be expressed as follows. Multiplying the unit weight of concrete by slab thickness, that is, 24 times 0.2, gives 4.8 kilonewtons per meter squared. Multiplying 4.8 by slab width, that is, 4.8 times 3, gives 14.4 kilonewtons per meter. And multiplying 14.4 by 6, the slab length, gives 86.4 kilonewtons. Beam loadings. Beams loading are usually expressed in kilonewtons per meter. For instance, a beam of length 6 meters, width 0.225 meters, and depth 0.4 meters can be expressed as follows. Multiplying the unit weight of concrete by beam width and depth, that is, 24 times 0.225 times 0.4, gives 2.16 kilonewtons per meter. Column loadings. Column loadings are usually expressed in kilonewtons. For example, a column of height 3 meters, with section length and width of 0.225 meters, column load can be calculated as follows. Unit weight of concrete, times, column height, times, section length, times, section width, that is, 24 times 3 times 0.225 times 0.225, which gives 3.645 kilonewtons.